Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to remove likes from a Facebook page. So let's go to the Facebook page first. Make sure you are logged into your Facebook page, not your regular Facebook account. Okay, after log into your Facebook page or switch to your Facebook page from a regular Facebook account, you have to click on this top right corner, your profile name, and then you have to click on followers. Then this is all people likes your Facebook account, sorry, Facebook page account. So if you want to remove some likes, you can do this one three dot, you can see, click on this and click on block. Okay, click on block. If you click on confirm, that person will be blocked and one like will be less from your total likes. Okay, this is how you can block people and reduce your likes. So this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.